So I hope you remember how to graph transformations. This year we have studied so far quadratic and absolute value. And you should know linear from Algebra 1. Cubic, we did look at cubics with polynomials. We've studied some other things with their graphs besides just the h and k. But we are going to add on the square root and cube root function. So when you're looking at this, when you just think about what the function does, it tells you the shape of the graph. And then we're going to start to look at that a value because it gets applied next. And that is going to, when it's less than 0, reflect over the x-axis. So that's, we've looked at a. When x is less than 0, which we haven't really looked at any of these, they're going to reflect over the y-axis. And that's going to be a b value we're going to add in later in the year. A is the slope from a point to the next point, and that's going to stretch or shrink your graph. And then our k value, which is not in a grouping symbol. If it's a positive k, it will shift your graph up. If it's a negative k, it's going to shift the graph down. And then this h, notice the h is always in a grouping symbol, rather parentheses here, or absolute value, or square root symbol, whatever that is that is grouped with x. When you take it out, remember it's always going to be the opposite. So if it's being added, it will move it to the left. And if it's being subtracted, it will move it to the right.